Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekenders YouTube channel. Today we're here in Cape Town, South Africa, and today we're going on a duck tour. It's going to be a ton of fun, so make sure you stick around, check it out, hit that subscribe button, and let's go.
Let's go. Real quick, we are on our way to go see our duck tour, but I have some seals. Let's look at them. Look at a baby seal and all of his buddy friends. These are Cape fur seals, and they have these little like jetties for them so they can get out of the way and take a little rest, so they're not hopping up with the tourist are and causing the tourists all kinds of havoc. They also use these to make sure that if a seal's tangled, that they can come over and they can help them. So it's very important that we have these. Keep them safe. All right, and next up, our duck tour. Let's go.
All right, so here we are on board, ready to take off. I've actually never ridden one of these before, so I'm kind of excited. Christine says she's done one once before.
In Branson, Missouri in 2006 as part of my senior trip.
Okay, I've never been to Branson. But yeah, so these are pretty cool. They're like old World War II military boats. There's a lot of controversy around these things, but look it up. I'll leave that to you if you're interested.
Excellent.
Yeah.
They sink?
Yeah, one time one of these sank and killed a bunch of people. Yeah, I think it capsized. Because these are military vehicles, they weren't made for tours. And then they, since a lot of times they extend them, they cut them in half and make them longer than they're ever designed to be.
Yeah.
Anyways, that aside, our tour is going to start here in just a few minutes. I don't know how packed it's going to be, but yeah, it's pretty cool because these things are like trucks that go around the city and give us a quick tour, and then they also go into the water too. So you get a bus tour and you get a boat tour, all in one package. If you're into both, make sure you hit subscribe because our next video will actually be a sunset cruise here in Cape Town. You don't want to miss that. All right, so the gangplank is up and so we're taking off. Really, we're 6 people on board, so relatively small crowd.
Good afternoon, everybody. And believe it or not, guys, Bella does float. We'll prove that to you in a moment. But
so they're telling us that this is the only duck tour, the only duck
guys,
boat in
if
all
you're
of
driving
Africa.
around you in a moment. But number 3, if you call yourself a duck, the duck say
Quack, quack!
Oh, he's upset.
Say it loud enough.
Shame. Sound like a seagull with laryngitis. Come on, man, let's shake the birds out the sky. What does the duck say?
Quack, quack!
It's fine, we'll accept that one.
There's only 6 of us.
It's also a 5-star shopping destination.
Table
So you
Rock
can
is
see the Ferrari
one of
shop
these
up ahead of us there. Because where we are now, it's a very important part, not only to Cape Town story, but also South Africa story. But yes, guys, let's take you guys back a couple of thousand.
So far we've gotten a brief history lesson of the area. Obviously it was a tribal area for a long time, but then also it was the Portuguese were the first Europeans to come by. They didn't settle. The Dutch came by, they did settle.
When we get onto the water, I'll give you guys a life jacket
and they settled and made the harbor. The Dutch and the British was all in part of the East India Trading Company. So before the harbor was built, several ships capsized here.
We are now coming past the ports of the reach, and the ports of the reach.
Timeout market, but this
Yes, guys, we do have a bit of oldest buildings on the waterfront site, built in the 1860s, and these were old locomotive warehouses. So we used to repair the trains that was taking rubble from the quarry to the breakwaters. And if you're sitting at the bar, the footrests are old railway lines. So yeah, we used to repair trains.
Built 1860, used to be old railroad repair shops.
Left hand side, we have a Ferris wheel. This one here is a replica of the London Eye. And this one actually was at the back of the Victoria Wharf, but we moved it now to this side because it has nice views of Table Bay. But yes, guys, coming out of the water is Robben Island. That's where Nelson Mandela got 18 of his 27-year sentence.
And Ward Island, and that's where Nelson Mandela spent his time in prison. Here is your Austin Martin, Rolls Royce, McLaren,
and back,
Lotus,
and as I mentioned, the closest beach to Cape Town is in Granger Bay. So in Granger Bay we have the stadium that, so the FIFA stadium, which was built between the cost of 4.4 billion.
If you're listening to this, I want a Rolls Royce fan.
When we built that stadium, we also put in much more infrastructure that gives the city a new look. So
you can see all of this construction and everything that's going on. This is all part of a land reclamation effort to expand
One
the
hotel
harbor.
is up ahead.
Come back.
This here was built in 1904 as the North Key Warehouse. So we used to store a lot of snook fish there.
But there's the Cape Town banner if you want to take a picture next to the sign that says Cape Town. I'm sure Christine will be over there soon and we'll be getting the obligatory photo.
Yeah, if we ever had to get back here, sure.
Yeah, we were just here not that long ago.
Yeah, okay.
Look at the old prison.
Okay, so guys, we're driving off all the
And
critters
there's
you
the
can
Two
find in
Oceans
our
Aquarium, and we'll
tours.
be visiting that shortly as well. So if you want to see what's inside there, make sure you hit the subscribe button. So we're
Today
doing all
is
this
a
with the city
hotel.
pass
It's
to
a
buy.
4-star.
About $100 per
And
person.
The prisoners in
Not
here were
sponsored
called
our video,
illegal
but
diamond
it is
buyers.
nice
So
way
we had
to
a big
see
diamond rush
everything in the
in
city for a really
1867.
price. So you hear that beeping noise. I think that means that they're starting to prepare the bus to go to become a boat. So we're about to head into the water. So it's pretty exciting. I think it's got a propeller on it.
Okay, so
I
we're
don't know
going
if
to
they
go
retract
into the
the
marina
wheels or how
in
this
the
works
So
exactly.
any questions?
We're about to just drive right into the water.
Osgood?
It was also interesting when he was telling us about basically old Cape Town, like everything north of the canal is all like original. Yeah, that's where the land stopped before. Then everything now, all this waterfront, all this is all reclaimed land that wasn't here originally. And he was also talking about how the Dutch had brought slavery to the area, brought a bunch of slaves, and when slavery was finally abolished, the slaves, the free slaves actually outnumbered former colonizers by a long shot. And that basically showing us some of the buildings there where they keep, I don't know, imprisoned slaves, slaves that had done things that they weren't supposed to do,
Okay.
and where the
Guys,
gallows were.
I
where
may
they
just
actually
ask one or two of you to either go from this side.
So here is the water. We're getting ready to hop in.
The world's largest traffic cone.
Yeah, the world's largest traffic cone. We see a bunch of these around Africa.
Now the captain says you guys are fine, you're all seated, okay? But if we get into the water and the boat seems to tilt to one way, I have to ask you to go.
Sure.
And once we found our new seats, you guys must remain seated, okay? We cannot be walking around.
Here we go. We are in the water. We are floating. What do you think?
This is fun. Yeah, hopefully we'll see more sea lions.
Yeah.
So far, all I think is an anahinga, or cormorant. I don't know what they call them here.
I can't believe how few people there are on this. We had bought these tickets. There only been 4 people.
Yeah.
I wonder if there's a minimum to run the
I
door.
don't think so.
Ooh, look at these catamarans here.
Okay,
These
guys, so
50s.
we are floating.
Nice. These are nice. I really would like one
Guys,
of these.
this is the new marina, built in 2009.
Yeah, but there are so many of these same catamarans here.
We are going to get
Oh,
our
yeah.
first
There's so
marine
many of these same
life
catamarans all over the
which
place
is
here.
now on your. So here we have a Cape fur seal.
Okay. There's a local resident.
That's a very healthy looking one,
and
because of the
Christine
seals.
is
It's
pointing
like
out
40,000
there's a
rand a
whole
month to
nother-
park your boat here. So I mean, you have a big problem now where people are going to move because of the seals.
Oh,
It's
with
quite amazing.
2 anchors right at the
That's
bow.
courtesy
That's
of the
kind of
Two Oceans
interesting.
Aquarium, and also
Champagne
this
taste
big
on
fancy
beer
one on your
budget.
port side. In African
Here we go, under the
ingredients,
bridge.
forgotten African cooking techniques. That with modern day, not Paw Patrol, Port
Here
Control.
is
So
this
our first port
beautiful
control building is on your
bridge
starboard
too. I
side,
think
the
this
red
is
one.
Dutch
That
influence
is
here.
the
They
clock
always have the
tower.
most
The
amazing
first
drawbridges.
port captain's office
There's
on
all
the
the
woods
seals
side.
that we saw
We
earlier.
can look at these mafia
So
bosses
many.
over here.
They're
We got a
fun.
special
That's
place
the
just
side
for
line.
them. Keep the humans out.
The Cape Fur Seal.
Here we
So
are
the
out
bunker
in the
dock
main
and
part
the
of the
main
harbor.
dock. On the other side, that's all controlled by
There's a
customs.
lot of big boats, tugboats.
At one point, the waterfront was
All
controlled
out
by
here.
customs.
So they haven't seen any great white sharks in False Bay in many years because there are
And then,
2 orcas called
on your
Port and
starboard
Starboard
side, we
who
have
who've
Table
been
Bay
eating
Hotel
the
was
great white
opened up
shark's
by Nelson
livers,
Mandela
like
in
with
1996.
surgical precision apparently.
Biscuit
So
Bay
pretty
Cutter
funny.
Ribbon that opened
Right,
up
so
that
how did
hotel.
this
That
port
hotel
starboard get the name?
closed
Yeah, because their fins go port or their fins go starboard.
Gonna get a 1
Pretty funny.
billion,
Couple views of
3.2
the end
hectares
of
of
Table Rock
land
here. It's
back
kind of a
in
cloudy day, so we can't see the main part of
That's
it.
why we have all the
which is
construction happening
over here
at the
behind the
front.
boat. We're hoping for a clear day while we're here in Cape Town. So that
But yes,
we
guys, you can get a nice
take
view
a
of
trip to the
Signal
top
Hill
of the
and
city.
Lion's Head at
There's
12
Signal
o'clock
Hill and
every
Lion's
day,
Head.
except
Beautiful. Like dates back to the 1800s.
get put
And
into the Susan
just here
Kruger.
beyond this
So the prisoners
blue
will go
boat
into the hull, we
is,
secure the hull. Then the
this
civilians
building
and the
here
staff
was used
come,
as a waiting area before
Take
you were
11
sent to Robert
kilometers,
Island. So
offload,
Robert Island is the
bring back
one
whoever was
where
lucky.
Robert
enough to
Island
come
was the
back.
one where Nelson Mandela.
So one famous
so
person who
Nelson
did that
Mandela
journey,
would have had to have waited
Nelson
in that
Mandela.
building before he was in prison.
Area.
So many sea
Gonna pass
lions.
them in a moment.
They're so tired. There's a whole bunch of them right there too.
Oh yeah, the time out boat.
They literally call it a seal platform.
So guys, on your starboard side, this is the seal platform where the seals don't get bothered. And this is now where we can implement our entanglement
That's a big one
program,
trying to climb up there right now.
disentanglement
He's a
program.
big
I was telling you guys
boy.
about earlier on. So the marine
boy.
biologists, they put on scuba, they go into the
Turn around here, and we're gonna be climbing up out of the water in just a moment. There is the boat ramp. We're gonna just drive this sucker right up out of the water. I think it's amazing. I need some sort of amphibious vehicle like this. It saves so much time with like backing down trailers and stuff. Just not quite fast enough for my taste. Oh, there we go.
Okay, so guys, we are back on land.
I guess we're pausing on the ramp here, maybe to let the water drain out. Track the propellers. All right, so that was a ton of fun.
So much fun.
Yeah, it's a nice way. Like I love it, like how compact it was, right? So within an hour, you get not only a city tour, but also a harbor tour. I think that's fantastic. Great way to kind of get a taste of the city and kind of understand, get your bearings a little bit better. At least I don't know if I'd say the city, but at least the waterfront area.
Yeah.
And kind of know a little bit more of the history. Kind of puts things in context as we're walking around. So I think that's fantastic. So anyways, now we're walking off. We're on our way over to go see, we're going to do a sunset cruise. So that's going to be our next video. So make sure you check that out. But in the meantime, here are your pro tips. Number one is definitely dress warmer than you would on land because obviously on the water, there's nothing to stop the wind. So it's going to be a little bit colder out on the water. Pro tip number two, be sure to bring a few small bills for tips. I honestly haven't figured out the tipping situation here in Cape Town just yet. And I gave the guy 70 Rand, which is like, I don't know, like $3-4 or something. About $4, I guess, for the two of us. And they said that was a very generous tip. You're like freaked out. And so I guess they don't usually get that much of a tip.
Worth it.
Pro tip number three is once you're in the water, don't move because it can throw off the balance of the boat. And as we already alluded to, there are some issues with these duck boats.
Yeah, keep it in park, kids.
Although that's not really much of an issue anymore, but it has happened. So stay seated and keep your arms inside the boat.
Disney rules.
All right. Anyways, that's going to do it for today, guys. Remember, hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate it. Really help us out. With that being said, we're out of here. And we'll see you next weekend.
Bye.
Here they are, about to open the bridge. Yep. Well. All right, and here comes the boat. The reason they opened it. Bet these people feel important. I'm just joking, but there's like 10 people on that boat versus like the 100 that are standing here on the side of the shore. All right. Duck tour. It's gonna be a ton of fun. So make sure.
Don't move once you're sitting down.
Okay. Yeah. And pause for music.
All right, guys, really quick. These are so.